In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this gear at the top of it. Then this one at the top right corner. Following that, hit Themes. Tap on the best one for you to apply it and go back. As you can see, mine was successfully applied. If you want to customize it, go back to the same settings and click on Custom at the bottom at the top right corner. Then select Start, tap on Add Image and hit Allow to pick Gallery or Photos. I want my photo from Gallery app, so I have to click on it. Tap on my photo and confirm it thanks to this check mark at the top right corner. Now pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and adjust background darkness by swiping left or right. Hit Done, manage symbols and key borders, and hit Apply. Click Done in order to apply it. So when I do that, as you can see, mine was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!